You read that right. We made the gardening robot of Sky City. This is the first video in our series of remakes of Studio Ghibli. Of course, it won't be the last one. The robots are coming.
I made a mistake. I am a combat robot, and the Gabby Honey is a gardener robot.
爸爸，我们开始吧。
好的。
Let us make the body of the robot first. Use the method of making figures to make. When clay dries, it resembles plastic. Relatively hard, has no effect on plants. Gardener robot soldier has no attack attribute. The shape of their arms is different from that of combat robot soldiers. They cling to the uninhabited city in the sky until death. Seemingly cold, they show us the determination and protection of endless life.
No human intrusion. The city in the sky is like a garden of Eden. The robot is rusty and damaged, still standing loyally by the side. Keep company with animals, symbiosis with plants, even if the body is already covered with moss, scarred, but still guarding, rooted in the soil, bathe in the spring breeze, overwinter with seeds, sing with the birds in spring.
爸爸，浇水干了耶。
Let's make soil for growing moss. Add akadama soil, add charcoal. Cut dry sphagnum moss. Blends into the soil to increase moisture retention. Add ceramsite to the bottom layer. Excess water will flow into the ceramic layer. The ceramsite layer forms loose ventilation holes, helps the bottom of the soil breathe. Add charcoal. Charcoal purifies the soil, reduce the occurrence of germs and mildew. It can also bring some nutrients to plants.
There is a city in the sky in everyone's heart. When I was young, it is our ideal, the Pure Land. With age, desire and greed continue to increase. He gradually becomes a machine that robs others of their resources. If the city in the sky is compared to a dream, then robots are the belief that protects dreams. It may not speak, but it will always remind you deep in your heart. Even if the dream is shattered like a city in the sky, have the courage and determination to start over.